Hi friends, for our math journal today we're going to need a pencil, scissors, and a glue stick. I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. Okay, our journal worksheet today says addition up to 10. The directions are we need to count each set, write how many, cut and paste the sum. So remember the sum is the answer to an addition sentence. Let's count the seahorses. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go down, across, down some more. That's how you write the number 4. Plus 1, 2, 3. Around the tree, around the tree. That's how you write the number 3. Okay, let's count them all up to see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. I need to cut off the numbers at the bottom. And I'm going to cut out the number 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So I'm going to remember just a dot, not a lot, and glue the number 7. Okay, friends, you're going to do the rest on your own. So remember, you need to count each set, write how many, and then join the groups together to figure out the answer, the sum. When you're all done, you can color your pictures and glue this in your math journal. We will see you back here at the end of the day.